I'm the one who opened it, so let's get out the things. That was fun.
Okay. Just 2 sets.
Where did this come from?
Okay.
Now, it doesn't have the number on it, so let's do this one first. Don't know, so I just want to make. Oh, I'm getting confused. What's the instructions? Instructions book. So, but I can't find his legs. So it'll just be like this for now. So this is his legs. Okay, this is his legs. This is.
Oh, why are you watching?
Spider web, playful action. Let's just leave Spider here for a minute. He will be doing the messages as well, like the other Spider-Man.
What's that? Green Goblin pack.
Yeah, bullet Green Goblin pack. Hey, the rest of this Woody is in Spider-Man's pack.
So Green Goblin has smaller pack then.
Yeah. Okay, now I haven't talked in a while, so let's continue to talk. So now he has $100 here.
What $100? Just money.
Yeah, money. I want pumpkins. They
Put them side by side.
no, or Spider-Man would try to capture Green Goblin like that. So this, we don't have first instruction now.
So what are you doing now?
Spider-Man's car.
Oh, Spider-Man's car.
Before it was a bike, but now it is a car. Ew, what's this? Hey, looks like it's ready to stick a tire and we brought it. Guys, I love my new swingy web. I should show in my other Spidey cookie.
So you're starting to see the car.
There.
Now you have to put the wheels.
Yeah. Now I think it's finished.
Are you sure?
Now it's Green Goblin's victory. Oh God.
So you're starting Green Goblin's hoverboard.
Yeah, this is tiny.
Tiny hoverboard for him.
It's easy to finish.
Is that the wing?
Yeah. It's like a bird. Birdie, scary bird. Eh?
What's that?
The bag of money.
Whoa! Bag of money at the back. Why?
Because he wants to steal.
He's a bandit then.
He wants to steal the money.
Okay.
And here's the 100 money.
Whoa!
Go.
Oops! So what is Spider-Man doing there?
Doing gymnastics.
What? Did you finish it?
Yeah.
See? Let me see how it looks. His hoverboard. Whoa.
I didn't know you could put items like this. It just likes to stay upside down.
Upside down Spidey.
Yeah. I just did this role play.
Yeah.
I'll show you how I did it. When Goblin was flying, pretend the web is invisible, and when Goblin tried to take a look at Spider-Man, and he lands, and he doesn't know he landed on the web, and then he gets captured.
Oh no.
Before he even knows his bomb, but well, as he knows his bomb misses.
Oh no. And why is Spider-Man always upside down?
I don't know, he just wants it that way, okay? Give Spider-Man a chance to do it. And Spider-Man gives back the money and the money that came out.
Okay.
100 money.
100 money.
I'm going to do it again.
What?
Spider-Man was swinging on his web.
Mm-hmm. Like a real spider.
Yeah.
Come on, let him sit on his car.
But he put it on autopilot.
Autopilot.
But Alexa doesn't know what autopilot